take you to this mega Sqezze 1.6 zip. Now this is where you guys want to be. Once you're right here, go into your Windows search up virus, click the one at the top with the shield on it. You should see virus and threat protection settings with the 2 gears. Hit manage settings in blue and turn off your real-time protection. All you simply need to do is just press this button right here and it should turn off. Just like this one's on, press it and it'll turn off. Now, just a heads up, say you're playing GTA with the menu, you go to turn off your PC, you come back on, and then real-time protection's turned back on, but your menu is deleted. It's because it's detecting it as a virus. It's not an actual virus, it's just your Windows has never seen a file like this, so it thinks it's a virus. But if it turns back on and it deletes it, you're gonna need to download it again. So I always recommend you guys bookmark it or just save it. Now that that's off, hit download and give it a minute. Now that it's downloaded, what you guys are going to want to do is drag it out on your desktop and drop it so it appears just like that. Now it doesn't matter what browser you're on, Opera, Chrome, I do it on whatever, it always works. All you're going to want to do is drag it and drop it on your desktop by holding down and dragging. Now that it's on your desktop just like this, right click the Sqezze 1.6, press extract here. Now you should get all these. What you're going to want is Xeno64, Sqezze DLL, the Sqezze folder. Put the Sqezze folder in here. So you're going to need these. You're not going to need this Sqezze injector and readme. You're just going to need these. So the first step says put the Sqezze folder in here. So here's a Sqezze folder. Drag it and drop it in. Hit replace. And now it's in. Now what you're going to want to do is right click Xeno64, hit run as administrator, press yes, and now this should pop up. Once this has popped up, drag the Sqezze DLL right here into this big white box with name and architecture and drop it. You know it's in because it has appeared right here. Now your type is going to be on existing. If it's on new, just put it on existing and keep it there. But once your injector is set up just like mine and nothing else, simply launch your GTA. So I'll see you guys when my GTA launches. But now that you guys are loaded into GTA just like this, you may be asking yourself, why is this kid in story mode? Why not online? This is an online menu and you can use it in story mode as well. That's a question I do get asked a lot. You can inject it in online, but I'm gonna inject it in story mode because I recommend you guys always inject your menus in story mode. But now that you're in your game, press your Windows key. As you see, I'm pressing Windows key and nothing's happening. You can either press Alt Tab or Control Escape. Control Escape is working fine for me. But once you press Control Escape or whatever, go back to your injector. Now that you're in your injector just like this, you should see process with this drop down bar. Press it so it drops down with all these and find your GTA5.exe. It's super simple to find because it's in alphabetical order, so just find it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, GTA5.exe right here. Select it, and by the way, you have to be in GTA for this to pop up. It'll say GTA 5 not found if you're not in GTA. Just press inject, go back to your game, and just wait a little. Open the menu with F8 or star once you've pressed inject, so I'm gonna press F8, and there you guys go, Sqezze menu. This is super simple to get, and if it's your first time and you're at this part in the video, if you followed all these steps, you should have it just like this. Now, if you guys for some reason do need help, hit me up on Discord, I'll be sure to help you. But make sure to like and subscribe as it will help me out a lot, and we will be having giveaways over in our Discord, link in the description. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Peace out and enjoy the showcase.
you.